welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a pinky peach eyeshadow and lipstick and a flawless makeup. This look is suitable for any occasion, like you can go for a dinner night or for a date, whatever you like, but this suits for every occasion. Let's go and check how to do this makeup. First, I'm taking a Nivea Moisturizer and I'm just applying all over my face. Don't forget your neck. And now I'm taking Morphe primer. I'm applying it all over my face. And now I'm taking eyeshadow primer. This will actually help my eyeshadow to stick onto my eyelid. And this helps the eyeshadow last forever. Now I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills. The first color I'm choosing is the Supreme. That's actually a peach color. I'm just applying all over my eyelid because I just applied my eye primer. And the first color I'm choosing is BBDC. That's actually really nice purple color, dark purple. Just applying that color in my outer corner of my eye. Now you have the actual shape of your eye. You can drag till your eyebrows, but I don't want to do a really dramatic eye. And the next color I'm taking is Texas Made. That's really nice pink color. So I'm just applying next to the BBDC. And the third color I'm using is Beyond. That's really nice glittery pink. And there's a really light pink than the Texas Made. For an inner color, I'm taking a Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette, and the color I'm using is Sunburst. This is actually quite peachy color, and it's quite glittery as well, so that's why I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette. So you can mix tiny bit of all the colors, but don't mix everything together, just because you want to see some colors as well. Now I'm taking my favorite MAC eyeliner. I'm just drawing wing and then draw a line from the inner corner till the outer corner, and then join the line with a wing. There you go, now you got a perfect eyeliner. Now I'm taking 405 eyelashes and I've just put that off camera. And I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'm taking the same Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette, and the color I'm using is a dark black, that's called Beast. And the next one I'm taking 045 Christian Dior Forever foundation. This is actually one of my favorites. It's because this one is like a really nice soft foundation, and it'll stay on your skin for quite a long time, so I love it. I love this foundation. So you have to apply all over your face, forehead, nose bridge, and your cheeks as well. So after I apply my foundation with a brush, I always take my beauty blender. I just tap it to take away all the harsh lines. Now I'm taking MAC NC35 concealer. I'm just applying underneath my eye and the nose bridge and my eyebrows and around my lips. Just blending it with the beauty blender. So I'm gonna set my foundation and concealer with a Revolution banana powder. So you have to wait for at least for a minute to dry the foundation and the concealer and then apply your powder, so that you can avoid the cakiness on your face, especially when it's really hot weather. So apply on your neck as well. Now I'm taking Maybelline mascara. I'm just blending my false lashes and my own lashes together. And for the lower lash line, I'm taking BBDC, the one I used outer corner. I'm just using the same color underneath as well. This will pop up your face. I didn't use any kajal or anything. This will actually make your eye a little bit bigger. Now I'm taking Morphe contour palette and I'm using a really dark shade of brown. So you need to apply on your cheekbone and your hairline and your nose. And your double chin if you have one. And now I'm taking Kat Von D, and this is really nice purple color. Look at that, as soon as you put that color on, it just pop up. So it's really nice. So I'm just blending the purple color and my contour a tiny bit because I don't want to see the harsh lines. And I'm just taking my beauty blender to blend everything together. And finally I'm taking a lime cream unicorn lipstick, and this is really nice brown shade and the color is October. And I'm just cleaning my lipstick. So this is the final look. So it's completely done. If you like this makeup, just give it thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.